Can your dog have basil? The answer is absolutely yes. They can and should eat basil. Why? Basil is a powerful anti-inflammatory. There are 3 essential oils in basil called eugenol, linalool, and citronellol that are anti-inflammatories. Basil also has calcium, antioxidants, vitamin A and K, helps control blood sugar, and is a potent antimicrobial. Now, some dogs may not like the taste, so what do? Put it in your bone broth. Put a few leaves in every batch of bone broth. How do you make bone broth to help heal your dog's joints? Well, good question. Just click this video right here, watch it, and you'll learn how to make fast, easy bone broth for your senior dog.